Withdrawing money from Discord to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction process. Step 1. Access your Discord account. Log into your Discord account using the app or website. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage payments if you are using a server that generates income. Step 2. Navigate to user settings. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner to open user settings. From there, look for the Connections tab to link your payment method. Step 3. Link your bank account. In the Connections section, select the option to add a payment method. Enter your bank account details as required, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Initiate a withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, go to the section where you can manage your earnings or payouts. Select the option to withdraw funds and specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the transaction status.